Traditional cooking fuels and technologies are among the major contributors to household air pollution in Kenya, with severe health consequences for the population. Now, an initiative to promote climate-friendly cooking in the country is introducing innovative cooking stoves that use less charcoal and firewood to improve air quality. Here's more in today's episode of Tech One.
At a local in Nakuru City, Nakuru County, Josephine Abongo is busy attending to customers at her cooking shop. Abongo produces and sells clay-molded energy-saving stoves that she says are a great improvement to the open-fire cooking technology used in most rural homes in Kenya. The project is being implemented by Practical Action, a development-focused non-governmental organization.
I think it's becoming a talk that we are moving the discussion towards ensuring that our local people transit from the traditional cooking solutions to the new cooking solutions that save their lives.
Data from the Ministry of Health estimates that 21,500 premature deaths occur each year as a result of indoor air pollution triggered by cooking.
The use of firewood, as we know, when it burns, that smoke is direct. It's worse than even when you smoke because there is a filter. This is the primary use of the smoke, which has a lot of effect in the lungs.
Unlike traditional stoves, the improved visors are designed so the flame is aimed directly at the cooking pot to avoid wasting heat. They also have just one opening for charcoal and firewood instead of three, and they are constructed with a thick liner made from a special type of clay for heat conservation. All these factors make the stoves up to 40% more efficient, reducing consumption of firewood and charcoal. Practical Action says around 200,000 improved cook stoves have been sold by more than 300 trained entrepreneurs like Abongo. Further, proponents of the technology say the innovation has cut costs for users.
We used to have a full-ton lorry of firewood a term. But the way I've implemented it, I've saved almost 80% of that, which is a plus for us.
Kenya aims to achieve 100% access to clean cooking by 2028, in line with UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Well, we have very good policies, but in terms of funding, then it needs to match the good policies that we have in there.
Alan Oko, Tech One.